Kasi, ang daming may nag-aaway ng ganito. Kasi they want to be posted as much on social media.
Yeah.
Pero, on the other hand, yung partner nila gusto lang low-key. Kasi, yun nga, ayaw nila ng sobrang, everything's out there. So, feeling ko it's a matter of having, compromising with each other. Meeting
Yeah.
halfway, na example. If ako, I want you to post me. And you don't want to post as much. Siguro, let's meet halfway. Siguro, i-post mo ako. Pero kahit once lang. Once a year.
Grabe naman
For at
yun.
least na post.
Or like kahit
You make things. You make
baka
ends meet.
gusto kasi like parang ako gusto lang kita itago kasi I don't want people na yung gagano'n. Like,
Oo, no, kasi
oo.
yung iba din kaya tinatago nila. Or like they keep it private kasi yung may mga predators out there na
Yeah.
parang, nope, no, you can't have her. This is
Yeah.
my girl. No. Pero in a
Yeah.
way na not naman obsessive and controlling yung iba. Kaya ganun. They just want
protective lang talaga.
protective lang.
Yeah.
I think, pag mga ganun, kailangan talaga pag-usapan and know what works for both. Yeah. And,
Paano kung
go, what's
oh my
that?
gosh, this I have a question. So, what if the person that you are with, he or she really doesn't have social media?
Walang social media. Pero am I still high-key type of person
No,
or
like
low-key?
be whoever you want to be. Like the person you are now.
If low-key ako, well then, I mean, it's great, I guess. Kasi parang, wala. Low-key naman ako eh. I want to be low-key. You don't have social media. So, wala. I don't have to worry about, okay, I have to post this person all the time or ganun. Pero, if ako high-key, tapos ikaw wala kang social media, for some people, they might ask, oh, I feel like that's a deal breaker. Kasi, you're the opposite of that person.
Really? Me?
Pero,
I think I would love if they didn't have social media. Even though I would be in Beanie because
you wouldn't question na parang, wait, why don't they have social media? What is he hiding from the social media world? Or why? Bakit kaya?
malay mo spy siya.